Welcome viewers. Most people apprehend, but for people who don't, federal appeals, whether or not are now no longer in advance than a three-determined panel or the Supreme Court, comprise now no longer something extra than large briefs, and then a taking note of wherein lawyers attempt to sway topics to their strengths, with the judges typically loose to ask questions to mission the attorneys. In this video, we will always break down for you. Before you continue, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get the latest updates. It is steady to say that most hearings comprise judges asking extra questions than any oral presentation. But those questions can without troubles belie which course the judges believe the case will cross, and that is precisely what happened with an 11th Circuit panel taking note of the enchantment of Judge Cannon's precise draw, close order shielding Trump. Appearing on MSNBC on Saturday, former federal prosecutor Cynthia Alkson claimed she expected the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals to go backpedal hard on U.S. District Court Judge Aileen Cannon. I think that it seems like after reading the transcript of the taking note of with inside the 11th Circuit that they may be going to get rid of the precise draw close and they are going to slam this federal determine who located a wrinkle with inside the system that come to be absolutely unnecessary. And so that it will boost up the system and allow the government to really dive into those documents. Because of the truth. Remember, it is not only even as you've got to take a look at this case to a prosecutor, it is not without a doubt, does he have the documents wherein they willfully maintained, and did he now no longer cross again them, even as he come to be asked to. You moreover want to have sort of a worldwide outlook on it, like, why did he do it? If your intention is to reveal some nefarious reason, you do. But against the law is complete with him definitely having them illegally. In order to do the prosecution, you type of want to apprehend that. Is it an ego thing, has any character leaked from the Justice Department, or in any way did those documents make it into the flow into of his economic considerations? Is that why he ended up with the ones gives with inside the Middle East? Has Jared Kushner seen the documents? Who has touched them? Who has seen them? Who's aware about them? Who has used them? The faster we do away with the precise draw close system, or we complete it, the sooner we're capable of get to that aspect, and we're capable of waft beforehand with the prosecution. Well, those questions had been being investigated all along. But yes, the system will boost up even as Dodge has all the documents. During an appearance on Saturday with MSNBC's Aileen Velshi, former federal prosecutor Cynthia Alkson claimed she expected the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals to go backpedal hard on U.S. District Court Judge Aileen Cannon over rulings that have protected Donald Trump from a Department of Justice investigation. Cannon, who come to be appointed to the bench through manner of the preceding president without a doubt in advance than he out of place the 2020 election, has been under scrutiny for a sequence of rulings that have baffled jail experts and stymied Dodge investigators looking into Trump whisking away stolen government documents to his Mar-a-Lago resort. Before Thanksgiving, Trump's attorneys had been located at the spot through manner of the 11th Circuit judges, who seemed extra than skeptical of Cannon's pro-Trump rulings, and jail experts assumed topics to forestall badly for the preceding president's lawyers, even as their ruling comes down, likely next week. Speaking with the MSNBC host, Alkson said she expected Cannon to be on the receiving forestall of a devastating rebuke. What is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments section below, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.